Today I found another YouTube channel whose thumbnail are not more eye-catchy. So I select this thumbnail, redesign it and make a thumbnail like this. Now watch the tutorial how I made this thumbnail. Let's start. So you see how I made the thumbnail more attractive. Now if you want, I can make such an attractive thumbnail for you too. I am a graphic designer. I have been working with many creators for past few years and still doing. Here are the thumbnails that I have made for many creators. So now if you want to make your thumbnail, you can contact me. I give my contact details below. Check it now. Also, I am going to come up with more such designing related videos in future. So make sure you subscribe my channel, click the notification bell icon to stay updated with my new videos. See you soon. Thanks.